Tambak ng mga basura at nagpatong-patong ng mga sasakyang inanod ang tumambad sa ilang lugar sa Quezon City matapos ang pananalasa ng bagyong Karina at
Binahang
habagat.
maraming lugar sa Metro Manila at ilang karating probinsya dahil sa patuloy na pag-ulan, bunsod ng habagat at ng bagyong
State
Karina.
Weather Bureau says it is not ruling out the possibility of Typhoon Karina intensifying into a super typhoon.
Naminsala sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Luzon ang hanging habagat at bagyong Karina. Libo-libong residente ang na-stranded at kinailangang ilikas mula sa kanilang mga tahanan.
Dahil sa malawakang pagbaha,
It's raining so hard. But we are safe. Meron na akong gusto i-share. I just can't believe na I think that was June. Around May and June. Yung grabe yung mga panic attacks ko and everything. I keep dreaming of a great flood. And then, may mga nakukuha akong, may messages na nakukuha ako from God, from my guides, na gano'n, may mangyayari. Ang nasa isip ko pa noon was like, tsunami? Is this gonna be a tsunami? Kasi, grabe yung flood talaga. Tapos, meron akong napanood na Evan Almighty. Tapos na-feel ko na I got a message, I got a download din na about Noah and the Great Flood. Tapos at that time, when I was telling Spike about that, tapos gusto ko, sabi ko, mag-stock na tayo ng pagkain, ganyan, emergency kits. Nasa cart ko nga nasa Shopee cart ko yung mga emergency kits. Tapos, kinuwento ko yun sa side niya, sa Salvosa na, I don't know what's gonna happen, pero parang may paparating. Parang may paparating na, alam mo yun, maapektuhan talaga ang Philippines and other countries. Basta,
authorities are warning that there is going to be possibly landslide and flooding.
Hundreds of thousands of people have been moved to safer areas. Transport services are still down in southeastern China, including trains, including planes.
Nakakainis lang kasi wala akong maitulong. Wala akong magawa. And it also saddens me. Well, siguro wala rin naman talaga akong magagawa. Kasi nabigyan ako ng warning at hindi ko talaga naiintindihan exactly what it is. And now it's happening. Like, this is not normal. Something is really about to happen. This is either a flood or an earthquake na matindi. Tapos diba may volcanic eruption na nangyari, ganyan. Akala ko yun na yun. Pero nung grabe yung labasan ng mga insects, ganyan, sabi ko, mayroon talagang paparating. And now that this is happening, I feel so sad and sobrang bigat ng pakiramdam ko kasi wala akong matulong. Hey guys, it's nighttime already and in our subdivision, sa dulo ng street namin, may mga bahay na hanggang dito yung baha. So, I was trying to think lang kanina na wala akong magagawa. Kasi I don't have that much naman to give and to offer, especially yun nga, I always give away kasi yung extra na clothes namin, mga towels and everything. Sabi ko, paano yun? Tapos, I wasn't feeling well din kanina. Ang sakit ng puson ko. Mimili lang kami ng mga konting things na pwede nating ibigay. Kasi kanina nag-grocery kami for the house. Pero, sinabi ko kasi guys, I wasn't feeling well talaga. So I was like, bangag and and I was like, please, buy some groceries. We don't know kung kailan to, ganyan. Tapos yun, when I check, wala namang sobra that we can give. So, now na medyo ilang minutes or an hour na rin humupa ata yung rain, baka makakadaan na kami to go and get some groceries na pwede natin maitulong. Sobrang konti lang, hindi naman talaga, I don't have that much pa rin. Pero, I know I have some. Alam mo yun. Yan. Let's go. We're here in the van. We're gonna help people! We love helping people! Masaya na si Daddy. Kanina pa siya gigil mag-rescue. Tsaka si Kuya. Pero, I'm not gigil. You're gigil? Mama, I wanna help. Mama, I wanna go there.
Punta tayo sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Tingnan natin.
Oh, you wanna set it down? I asked Pai kasi dati niya na itong ginagawa. With his team before. Sabi ko, ano bang mga kailangan, ano bang mga maitutulong sa ganyan. Especially, alam mo yun, sa village naman namin, hindi naman talaga sila poor people. Pero sabi niya,
it's raining in Manila, ba't ka napaupo?
Tinapay, yung mga madaling kainin. So, uy! Salbahe!
Sige, sir.
So, yan. Yan ang gagawin natin. Yan ang bibilin natin. So, lahat ng ate, sinama na natin. For today's adventure, and excited daw sila. Ano, Dad?
Sarado na SM Hypermarket.
Okay, so what do you think?
Maghahanap na lang tayo.
Hanap na lang tayo now.
Alam ko na.
Magbabay na lang tayo, sir, ng
Ano?
mga tinapay baga.
Oo, yun.
Tinapay.
Opo.
Tubig.
Hindi naman
Pag-social to eh.
Excited pa siya.
Mom, where we go? What are we gonna do?
Hindi naman
We're gonna buy bread and water.
For the people?
Yes.
Dad, let's go!
Hindi mo alam, that's what we're gonna do?
Oh my God.
Ang daming tao sa McDo, oh. Ma-OP na, oh. Wala. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung McDo na
Wala, pila tayo. Baka may bibigyan sila. Dinner what? McDo na lang po, sir.
Wait, sir, we're actually gonna help the people, Mama?
Burger.
Ma? We're actually gonna help the people?
Yeah, yung neighbor.
Daddy, give me the money. Daddy, give. I'm taking Daddy's bag.
Wala ka makukuha dyan.
Walang money si Daddy.
Give me your phone.
Lang yan.
Kaya makukuha dyan.
Why?
Nasa debit card.
Debit. Pwede naman siguro dyan, di ba? So, sa'yo ko na lang isasend yung share ko. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go,
Let's help the people.
We don't really have to worry about kung ano yung iisipin ng ibang tao sa mga ginagawa natin or saan, alam mo yun, saan mapupunta yung mga post natin or whatever. As long as we know the intention to it, kasi hindi naman natin makokontrol eh. You won't be able to control other people. Basta alam natin that we're taking responsibility sa ginagawa natin. Alam natin yung intention natin. We know kung ano yung gusto talaga nating maibigay. The Rescue King!
Rescue team is arrived!
Kanina ba?
Tao sa atin, Sisi!
Yan, we're here. Dito tayo na. Pandesal. Ito rin o. Yan, ganyan. Ito. Kape-kape.
Ilan to? 10?
How much yan?
Ito. Meron pang mga ganito. Pakpak. Wala na tayong mga pala.
Kasi minsan, yun yung nagsastop sa atin in doing good things, in living our purpose, or in expressing ourselves, expressing our truest selves. Dahil natatakot tayo sa isipin ng ibang tao, natatakot tayo na i-attack tayo, natatakot tayo na the world is cruel or it's a dangerous place out there. Although I'm not saying that it's not true, it is. There is truth in that. In fact, balance nga yan eh. There's light and shadow everywhere, every situation, every person, ganyan. Kahit ako, I know I have a lot of dark sides, dami kong shadow side. Pero nasa sa atin yun. And also, we have our own journey. Iba-iba tayo ng journey. We just have to respect other people's journeys.
Okay, let's go. Another one is Uncle John's, because we're gonna buy water. Oh gosh, hurry! It's gonna run. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain, so we have to get in very quick. We have to buy. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. There's still. Let's go, let's go! It's gonna rain! Zizi, hi! Say hi! Smile. Daddy and Mom are still in the car. Okay. So let's go. Ooh, I want that one. 3,000. 10,000. Okay. We're actually here to buy water for the people. Big water. Woo. Come on. Yun, absolute. This. I'm guessing I'm gonna buy all of this. Even this. Bro. Who broke that? Bro, we have evidence right here. Who broke this? That's... You guys have to pay for this, whoever did it. Gee. Stop. There you Okay. And yung iba't ibang mission ng iba't ibang tao. Hindi natin kailangang sabihin, alam mo yun, diktahan ang ibang tao for what they should do with their lives. Instead, let's just focus on ours. Kung ano yung kaya nating magawa sa means na meron tayo. Ma, what is your suggestion? Ma, what is your suggestion? What are we gonna buy?
So, we're just buying mga palaman para naman yung may lasa naman yung pandesal nila. How much is this?
51.
So, I compute.
Oh no, Daddy's scared. Daddy's really scared.
No, it's okay. Para may option lang. So, ilang set?
Ayan, so, ito na muna. Ito yung nakuha namin here. Yan. Tapos, ito sa relatives namin na, nabaha. Let's go. Hey guys, so we're here now at Uncle John's. Tapos bumibili sana kami. Naghapunta na kami ng mga pwedeng mabili. But we met this couple na tama nga, may sinadya sila sa amin na we can go around and look for yung mga stores na bukas. And then, pwede namin, pakyawin kung ano na lang yung meron sila. Actually, better nga na idea yun kasi matutulungan pa natin yung business nila. So, binalik muna namin yung kinuha namin dito. Check muna namin yung makukuha namin sa mga stores, sa mga small businesses. And then, if wala talaga, balik na lang kami ulit here. But for now, yeah, tapos kinuha na rin namin yung available na water dito. Kasi, hindi na namin may pabalik because hinakot na nila ate. Kawawa naman yung mga nag-effort. So, kung ano na lang yung nakakot nila, yun yung kunin namin. And then, check na lang kami sa mga stores.
Pero sa mga ganitong sakuna,
minsan kahit yung mga taong may pera, kailangan talaga nila ng tulong. Kasi minsan inisip natin, mayaman naman yan, hindi nga kailangan ng tulong. Hindi eh. Minsan, may mga situations na even the poorest, even the poorest people, sila yung makakatulong pa talaga sa mga rich ones, may financially rich. So yun, so ngayon inisip ko, why will I stop myself or limit myself sa anong may tutulong ko, kahit magkano lang, kung ano yung pwede ko may bigay. Kasi imagine kung yung baha ng bahay hanggang dito, edi hindi sila makapagluto, hindi sila makakakain ganyan. Tapos parang nandun na ata sila sa may, nag-gather sila dun sa may, ano yan? Basketball court. So, yun. Tapos si Spike rin, I know he really wanted to help. Pero wala na siya yung pickup truck niya that he used to have before to rescue people, ganyan. Alam mo yun, ang dami kong realization na, yeah, it's okay to feel like, to be content with what we have. Of course, we should be content with what we have. Of course, we should appreciate and be grateful for what we have. But there's also nothing wrong with wanting to have more para ma-share natin yung overflow natin. Kaya naman, let's work.
What? What did you say?
$10.
How much do you have?
Money.
What? How much is it? 200? Asa yung $10 mo? $10. Aba. Ano mo naman si senyorito? Oh. So now, we're on a hunt sa mga bukas na tindahan to see kung sino pa yung open at saan pa tayo pwede makakabili ng, ano yung kulang natin?
Food.
Yung mga coffee, yes, palaman, and some more water if meron. There you go. Ayan! Marami pa silang nakabili.
Naubos yung tinapay nila.
Yeah, pero ang kailangan natin yan, yung mga Energen, yung mga palaman. Okay, let's go, Didi.
Let's go.
We're done shopping.
Next, we're gonna help.
You didn't buy anything? So yun, nabili na namin yung mga kailangan namin dun sa tindahan. Marami na kaming nabili sa mga worth 7,000. So, in Chucky? Okay. So, ayun, yung kaya lang namin maitulong. You know, na somehow pa rin may magagawa na din yan. Well, actually, I hope. Now, we just have to go back home kasi yung paper bag that we have is baka masira lang, mabasa. So, meron pa akong plastic, parang sando bag, I think, sa house. Kunin lang namin and then punta na kami. Kasi it's raining na again right now. So, baka magtuloy-tuloy na naman yan.
Ganda ng raining in Manila. Ayusin yung raining Manila. Let's see what they're doing.
Daddy, how do you feel? Daddy, how do you feel? How do you feel? Just say it. How do you feel?
Dito, mama.
Wow, dami ah. Ikaw nagbayad?
Yes, ako nagbayad.
Wow. Go to Ate Diana's TikTok. Ano yung TikTok? Here drinking is... What are you eating? Hey. Don't eat that. He's eating. He's eating it.
Para ano po ba? Ano ba?
Good? Do you feel good? Do you feel good?
Yeah.
Or do you feel you need help? The Chucky po kasi yung ano ni Z.
Open the door, Ate Day.
Open the door. Okay. We're gonna put everything inside the van. So we need help. Empty. Inside. Thank you.
Okay, dito na kami nagpapack sa car. Didi wants to help. Didi wants to help. Okay, so Didi, put in one plastic. This one.
Yeah?
Okay, so, pasok.
Isa-isa na.
Alam ko na. That's why we have to balance things out. You have to balance yung ganito, yung spiritual health natin, yung contentment natin sa reality talaga, sa real world. Kasi dito sa 3D world, we need money. We need money to move. We need money to help people, to afford a car, a boat na makakapag-rescue. Diba? Sige lang. I realized that. So ngayon, inisip ko rin kanina, sabi ko, i-vlog ko pa ba ito? I-share ko pa ba ito? Sabi ko, ano bang purpose? This is mission accomplished. I don't care kung maging judgment sa akin ng ibang tao. Kasi, wala rin naman ako ibabrag, hindi naman grabe yung itutulong ko, like super konti lang. But I just wanna send this message na hindi natin kailangan i-overthink kung ano yung dapat na tinutulong natin. Kung ano lang yung abot ng kaya natin. And if minsan you don't feel like you're physically ready, mentally, emotionally ready to help someone, you don't have to. You just pray for that person. Alam mo yun, many ways iba-iba tayo. This is why I always say, we all can be healers. Kasi healing is not just about being a doctor or, alam mo yun, having a profession na ganyan. It's not just all about, alam mo yun, yung energy work na ganyan. We are all healers at some level. Even mga artists, they can be healers. Music heals. Yung mga comedians, yung mga nagbibigay ng joy, nakaka-heal din sila. Alam mo yun, we heal other people when we live our purpose, when we embody our purpose, when we express our truest selves. And for me, one of my greatest expression is yung ganito, yung being here on social media, having this platform, yung pagiging nurture ko. And I'll try my best na kahit saan ako mapunta, whether or not I have tools or whatever, sa sarili ko on my own, with God's guidance, God's grace, and God's light, I'll always try my best to help other people heal in the ways that I can.
Kuya! Sige po. Ito may tao? Ito may tao? Ate, tingnan mo nga. May tao?
Tao po. Bata?
kami pumunta ngayon sa gilid ng street kasi ito yung mga hindi nabibigyan. Usually sa evacuation centers marami nang tumutulong. So dito kami mga nasa gilid ng tulay. So nakapila na sila ngayon.
Pasok ang Colby!
Ulan! Ng maayos! Ng maayos! Diretso! Diretso lang! Ito kayo, ikot doon. Ikot doon dalo. Taro yan o, bilog.
Pangulam na ako.
May pangulam na, may pangulam na.
Wala pa yung tubig.
Ito, tubig, tubig.
Tubig nga lang. Thank you po.
Okay.
Ah, Beo. Nandun na yun. Ah! Uy!
Mga tubig? Marami ba kayo mga tubig?
Nabangi po ako sa kuya ko, te. Tepe.
Uy, uy, yung mga siyo.
Nabangi po ako sa kuya ko. Tepe, nga po yung tete.
Uy, ako.
God bless po!
Ingat po.
We're back home. Sobrang lumalakas na naman yung ulan ngayon. Narinig ko siya. So yan, we're done. What ended up happening was doon na lang kami namigay sa yung mga nasa tulay, mga families na nagsasquat sa mga tulay. Kasi sa mga evacuation center, di ba, mga 100 families ba? 100 people ang mga nandun. So, we didn't have that much din naman. We only had like 40 sets ng mga paper bags and some plastics. So, yun. I think mga naka-around, kasi Spike spent like 3,500 tapos ako 5. So, that's like 8,500 pala in total. Yun. Kahit 8,500 lang yung kaya naming ma-share for now. Nakita namin na may, alam yan, may konting tulong na rin na naibibigay. So, huwag kayo mahihiya if meron kayong kakaunti. Actually, kasi guys, kahit, kunyari, gusto nyo lang magbigay ng tinapay, alam mo yung isang loaf of bread, and mga bottled water, malaking tulong na yun eh. Hindi kailangan masyadong malaki. If you really wanna help, like physically, pwede kahit sa mga, alam mo yun, mga tao lang na makikita natin sa kalsada, ganyan. What do you call that? Yun, gusto ko lang to put it out there na ganun kasi ako dati na I feel like I need so much money kasi to help, pero not necessarily. Kung ano lang yung kaya natin, that's enough. Tapos ang nagustuhan ko rin kasi is that napakita ko sa mga anak ko and they experienced it, and yun, I told kuya nga, sabi niya, Ma, now I know how it is pala to be poor and live outside. Ganyan pala. Sabi ko, yeah, that's what I told you, diba? Sabi ko sa kanya, I told you, kuya, diba, it feels so good to be able to help. Kasi sabi niya, sarap daw sa pakiramdam, it was fun. Sabi niya, bukas ulit. Ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, that's why, kuya, when you grow up, it's also nice to be rich because mas marami tayong matutulungan. Kaya, yun. Hindi naman natin mahihil lahat at matutulungan lahat ng tao. Marami tayong pwedeng matulungan. Marami nangangailangan ng tulong. But we can only do so much. So, kung ano yung abot na mga kaya natin. As long as makakatulong. Edi, we've done our part. Medyo na medyo na-drain din ako. I have to cleanse and take a bath, of course. And then, what time is it na ba now? It's past 11 na eh. It's 11:35. So, papahinga na rin kami. Nalukwerta nga ako kasi dami ko nakikitang news about mga children who didn't make it. Ayun, I guess that's it for today, for tonight. I hope the rain stops na talaga completely. And we can go back to